folks, again Kevin is here from the heart of Calgary, Northeast, at the powerhouse of Canada, Alberta. So guess what today? So we are going today to try some Hakka Chinese cuisine. They are offering halal dishes as well. They have beef, chicken. So we are going right now there, and we're gonna share the taste and their quality with you guys soon as we're gonna get there. So as usual, Dia is behind the camera.
Hello everyone. So another day for another yummy vlog. So keep watching our channel, Enjoy Star Food.
And please share, subscribe our channel and share with your family and friends. That help us to reach other people. So stay with us, stay tuned, and we'll get you there, guys.
Let's go.
Right here, this is Hakka Garden, a pretty big board, and they write down there that's halal as well. So let's get inside and we'll see the ambience and their dishes as well.
So please keep watching Enjoy Star Food.
So we set in right now. Okay, so here the sweet and sour, actually it's a Manchurian soup, right? Manchurian sour chicken soup is already here. So what we decided is a pretty big menu, guys. So we decided in the soup, Manchurian soup chicken. That's what we decided. Then we decided Singapore fried rice with the shrimps. And then we decided the ginger beef right now. And we are still debating about the fish we should order or not, because a lot of food for two people. And we're gonna start with the soup, and we're gonna put in our bowl and we'll share the taste of it. So just give me a second. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the soup. So you guys can see they put a kind of dry noodles. Those are dry, right? You see that? So those are dry. Then it's a pretty thick soup. I can see the chunk of the chicken, then vegetables, carrot, peas. What else? There's some green onions as well. And they top it with the cilantro actually. It's a cilantro on the top. So let me take a dig in. I'm going to take a little bit noodles. Then I'm going to take soup, and I'm also going to top it with the cilantro. There you go, guys. So the noodles are, I'm going to move this dish in that side. So look at that. See that? Wow. So this is supposed to be hot and sour type, I think so. So I mix the noodles. I'm going to take a chunk of chicken, some vegetables, and it's come with the noodles as well. So I'm going to try that. Okay, here you go. Very different, man. Oh, it is different, man.
Why?
It's just the taste of ginger in the mouth. Like ginger is a little bit dominating the soup. I can still feel the crunchy of noodles. Let me take one more scoop. I just wanna, like, I'm a little bit confused about it. Like, how it is.
It tastes like fresh ginger? Or?
Yes, fresh ginger. It's not salty. It's not spicy actually. So it's very mild. Like, not mild, meaning it's average spices. But soup is very good. So I'm gonna try one more scoop. Yeah. For sure, it's a different soup. It's not a regular soup. I mean, like not a regular taste.
Maybe it's authentic taste.
Authentic, and it's got a more taste of ginger in it. So that's very good. Consistency of the soup is very nice. It supposed to be like that. And there's a lot of vegetables and chicken as well. So I'm gonna meet with the other dishes that are gonna come on our tables. I will share the taste with you guys. So until then, stay tuned.
So hello guys, I'm also trying this soup. For me, it's tasty. There are side ingredients as well, so if you wanna put in this, it's up to you. For me, but it's good. I just put chili oil in it, and let's see what the KB is saying.
Actually, the soup original taste is better than the side ingredients, which I like it. Maybe some people like to put more chili, soya sauce, or chili oil, but I think so its original taste is very good than the other side dishes, side ingredients. Okay guys, so rest of the food is on our table. So this is Singapore fried rice with the shrimps. I can see a bunch of shrimps here, man, and they are very good size. And you see the portion of the plate is very good. I think it's very good for the two people. So you see, I can see the shrimp here as well. And then this is the ginger beef. So there's a gravy, and they put some kind of, I think so those are the bell pepper, I think so, or maybe green chili. Then I can see some, yeah, it's a bell pepper as well, the red color. Then a lot of pieces of the beef, and there's some kind of batter on it. And then I can see some sesame in the gravy as well. So I'm gonna start with fried rice. So I'm gonna take couple of pieces of shrimps, and you know, it's got some veggie as well. I can see green peas, carrot, and yeah, that's all actually. And I can see some egg. Yeah, these are the egg. This egg as well. So let me try that. How it's tasty. So I'm gonna just try only rice with the vegetables, right? So let's see how it tastes. Basic taste is. Yeah, same fried taste, mild as usual, and not bad. So I'm gonna take one piece of shrimps, some egg, and some veggies, and I'm gonna. This is my rocket bite, guys. So look at that, guys. Okay, so are you guys ready? I'm gonna try this one with the shrimps, and we'll see how it is. Shrimps are pretty much accurate fried, not dry. The juicy shrimps. So yeah, it's pretty much authentic taste of the fried rice with the shrimps. So let me try some ginger beef. I'm gonna take some bell pepper, right? And what else in it? I'm not sure. These are pretty skinny. Maybe carrots. I'm gonna take some of those as well. And then I'm gonna take some gravy. So I guess the gravy as well. We'll see how it is, right? So see, I'm just gonna first try the piece of beef, right? So let me try that. Actually, the batter is crispy still. I'm not sure why. It's not soggy. And it's sweet and sour as we know. But I've been to some other restaurant, so when I found them, sometimes they put a lot of sweet in it, but this is very balanced actually. I never tasted this kind of ginger beef before, so I'm gonna take one more, and I'm gonna take some bell pepper, then a beef shrimps. I'm gonna take a little bit gravy on it, okay? And I think those are the sprouts, right? Sprouts bean. I'm gonna put this one as well. So I'm gonna make a rocket bite. Carrot and what else in it? I think these are the onions. Oh wow! I'm gonna put some onions as well. It's caramelized onion. Now this is me. This is rocket bite. Are you guys ready? There you go, guys. Sweet and sour. It's very balanced. I love it, guys. So we tried soup. Soup was awesome. We tried fried rice. It's good, authentic taste. And this one is the winner of the today's vlog, guys. So you must, guys, come here and try ginger beef. It's very good. Not much ginger in it, but it's still crispy. Not much sweet. Like maybe it's sweet, but not the highly sweet. So it's very good. Thank you very much for subscribing and sharing with your family and friends. And hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please share our YouTube channel with your family and friends. That will help us to reach other people. Dia and me doing very hard work. It's not easy. So we need your support in terms of subscription. So please subscribe and we'll see you in another vlog.
Thanks for watching.